Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can modify your graphics quality in FPS. So whether you're on a low-end PC or a mobile device, this setting will help you get smooth FPS so you never miss a catch again. So first, you need to find the Roblox settings menu. You can just click on the Roblox icon in the top left corner and go to settings, and in here you can see, you can just scroll down and there will be the graphics modes. You can switch between manual or automatic. So here I choose manual so I can modify it with my own, and now you can adjust the graphics quality. You can click on the plus button to increase it, or this -1 to lower the quality. And if you see on top in here, there are also the maximum frame rate options. So if you want to get best result, you can just choose the highest one if you want to, or go by default. And if you go back and click on the settings in the in-game, the FPS settings, there are also this disable shadows options. So if you want to reduce flags, you can just enable this, or just click on this one. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. I'll see you in the next one.